Alrighty, update on the cabin build so far. 4 walls, just about done. Did the blocking today, and I even put in a window, one of the non-moving ones, just a solid glass window. Whew, it's a lot of work, but I had a lot of help from my friend Paul today. It was great. We started off nice and early, well, earlier in the day, and it was good. Pretty excited. Yeah, it's coming along. Now I got to throw in the windows, make sure the ones that slide, make sure they're good. And yeah, we're getting there. It's looking great. Rest of the property is doing good. Everything's nice and green. The paths are staying nice and clear. Did a good job with those, but this is awesome.